I like to believe that the concept of idea refers to that alchemy that combines experience and intuition with the willpower to find a solution and new ways to improve what we do. GREENTECH deals with the development and distribution of catalytic drying systems powered by methane gas and LPG. Our technology comes out from the union between 40 years experience in automotive and refinish sector and the desire to create dryers capable of optimizing the workflow, cutting the operating costs and improving the manufacturing quality. The GREENTECH machineries are equipped with catalytic panels powered by methane gas or LPG, able to emit a low-intensity uniform heat without producing flame. This innovative and convenient technology makes the workflow extremely competitive by improving the drying quality and reducing the environmental impact of even 80% in comparison with the traditional systems. One of the main goals of the design phase is the optimization of the drying process, which has to result perfect, both for water-based products and the solvent-based products, and to allow sandblasting and smoothing as soon as the treatment cycle ends. The control software is easy and intuitive in order to allow to manage without itches also complex and multiple processings. Our engineers can design and realize custom-made solutions that perfectly integrate with already existing preparation areas and spray booth. All components of our robots are produced in Italy by leading companies within this sector, according to precise specification provided by GREENTECH Dryers, with no compromises on quality and constructive solutions. Before being delivered, every single machine is pre-mounted, checked out and tested inside our factory. We think that to remain competitive in the global market, reliability is as crucial as productivity. Our drying systems are CE, ATEX and ATL certified, thus suitable also for potentially explosive work environments such as spray booth, and fully compliant with the international safety standards. GREENTECH Dryers distributes all over the world, from Europe to Asia and Australia, from the USA to the Middle East. Our range of machines allow the parent company to remotely control and make any tests, so that any technical intervention, if needed, can be immediate and focused. We remain at your disposal to study together the best solution for your business.